We hope tonight by this protest to make Wales know, to let the people of this town know that we do protest, and it is by no fault of ours that this thing has come to Caerphilly. We have done everything humanly possible to ban this thing and to stop it. And as we have not been able to, we have done the last thing possible to stand here in open protest to let you know that we are responsible and we are doing all we can to set an example in leadership and in every other way for clean living, holy living, and pure living.
How do you feel about the crowd opposite?
Oh, they're entitled to do what they want.
The thing is, they're outside, freezing. We're in here, we're all right.
Caerphilly didn't quite know what to expect, so took no chances. Pubs and cafes were closed before and after the concert. On decibel points, the Sex Pistols won. On numbers, it was a victory for the carol singers, way under 100 past the box office. Would the councillors who sparked off the protest join them?
We've had an invite from the promoters of the show, and we refused because we consider that a programme of this type is not to our liking anyway, and we wouldn't like to think, if we were to see the show, that it was put on solely for our benefit.
Are you pleased with the turnout here tonight?
Exceptionally pleased with the turnout. It's been very, very successful.
Excuse me, sir, can I ask you why you're here tonight?
Because I'm recognised as a Christian.
Never mind about Christianity. I think it's degrading and disgusting for our children to hear and see such things.
I got teenage daughters and youngsters. The one went to Rod Stewart, but I wouldn't let them go to see this rubbish.
If I thought one of mine was in there, I'd go in there and drag them out. Terrible, I think it is. I think it's disgusting. It's lowering the standard of our people in Caerphilly.
What sort of response are you getting from audiences now?
Curiosity.
All the publicity that's hit you, has it helped or hindered?
Both.
Both, yeah, a bit of both.
It's helped the record, and that's always also hindered us because we can't get gigs.
What did you think of the Sex Pistols? What did you think of them?
Brilliant.
What did you like about them?
Everything, the way they dress, the way they sing, everything.
You coming back next time?
Yeah, I just follow them everywhere.
Fine. What do you think of the Sex Pistols?
Crap.